So during this morning's coffee run with my dog, I saw this Sonos app update on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Naturally, I updated my Sonos app. I click update there and it downloaded the update and auto install it. This is simply perfect timing because I'm about to review Sonos ERA100, which originally I reported about a year ago. The ERA100 is a replacement of Sonos One. However, unlike various versions of Sonos One before, the ERA100 actually have some notable upgrades in both functionality and sound quality. Feeling curious, I got the ERA100 in white. And without further ado, I'm gonna unpack this right in front of your eyes and mine too. Typical of Sonos packaging, everything was made from recycled material and everything will be 100% recyclable. And also, as usual, I'll be using the cloth packaging as a dust cover for my ERA100. As you can see, my dog is impressed. Moving on and unpacking the ERA100 itself, the Sonos ERA100 is manufactured using high-quality plastic materials. Everything feels premium, nothing flimsy, and everything seems to be extremely solid. In fact, the unit itself feels a little bit heftier than the original Sonos One or Sonos One SL. And while being very subjective, I prefer the cylindrical shape of the ERA100. As you can see there's a Bluetooth button, so you can handshake your ERA100 to your phone, for example, via Bluetooth. And there's also a microphone switch, so you can turn on and off the voice command. And that USB-C slot, it can be used as a line input using the line input dongle that you have to purchase separately from Sonos. Typical of Sonos, they use custom AC cable. This way you can connect the Sonos to electrical with zero gap at the bottom, just like you can see here. Now that's very impressive. And now you're ready to install your Sonos ERA100. All you have to do is plug it in, and after you see the lights blinking on your Sonos, open your phone and open the Sonos app. Click open the Sonos app, then you will see your page. Scroll all the way down, go to the bottom right, press the one that looks like a gear there, click that, and then you will see system, click that, scroll all the way down, you will see add product, click that, and you will see this page. From there, all you have to do is follow the step-by-step instructions. Later on, you will be asked whether you want to do a firmware update. Just do it. After you click the update button, you will see a banner at the bottom of your Sonos app stating that it's being updated. It will then change to finishing the update, and when everything is done, it will state that your ERA100 have been installed. And in my case, because I want to put it in the office, I creatively named the room The Office. Click done and enjoy. After applying TruePlay semi-automatic calibration process, I can tell that the sound coming out from the ERA100 is more full-bodied compared to the original Sonos One, with improved low-frequency reach with a wider dispersion of higher frequencies. Because I don't have two Sonos ERA100, I cannot review this product in stereo mode. However, extrapolating from the data available, the potential of the ERA100 to sound great in stereo mode is within reach. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, I use the cloth packaging material as a dust cover for my Sonos ERA100. Of course, if you want to do this, you have to do it before you do the TruePlay tuning. So there you go, that's my review of ERA100. If you want to buy the unit, the link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.